A dog?
There, he saw a small puppy. The puppy was brown and white. It looked cold. It looked hungry. It looked lost.
Hello, little puppy. Are you lost?
It didn't have a collar. It didn't have a name tag. Where is your home? Okay, I will help you.
Careful, Max. Good boy. I will take you home. But Mom and Dad might say we can't keep you. Don't worry, I will keep you safe. Just be quiet, okay?
Shh, Max. Okay, in we go.
Noah, is that you?
Yes, Mom, just me. Okay, this is your new home. Just for now. You have to be quiet, remember?
You need a bed. There. Now you have a home too. How was school?
Good. Can I go back to my room now? You're eating fast today. I'm just hungry.
Oh no, not my shoe!
You're hungry. I need to get you food. Mom, can I have a snack? Dinner was 10 minutes ago.
Are you still hungry?
Very hungry. He took some bread and a little chicken from the fridge. He also filled a small cup with water.
That's a lot of food for a snack.
I'm a growing boy, and ran back upstairs. That's all for now. You have to be quiet, okay? Shh! No barking! Did you hear that?
Hear what, sweetie?
The bark from upstairs.
Oh, I think I did. Hear what?
A bark. I think I heard a dog bark.
Maybe it was outside.
It was probably outside. That night, Noah tried to sleep. But the puppy didn't want to sleep. It walked around the room, it sniffed the door, it whined softly. What's wrong? Do you miss your home? Do you miss your home? I know, but you can't go outside now. It's dark. Try to sleep. Oh no, Whoa, what is this? Max, did you do this? Woof! Oh no, there's mud everywhere! Where did you find mud in my room? He looked at the window. It was open just a little. The puppy must have found a small plant pot with wet dirt.
We have to clean this up, fast! Noah grabbed a towel and started cleaning the floor.
Noah, are you awake? Emma?
Emma, wait. Yes, 1 second. Good boy, Max. Okay, I'm ready.
Why does your room smell strange?
I opened the window. Fresh air.
Is that mud? I was playing with dirt for a school project. A dirt project? Yes, about plants. Okay, Mom says breakfast is ready.
Coming.
You almost got us in big trouble.
Noah, I heard some noises from your room last night, like walking. Are you okay?
Yes, Dad, I just couldn't sleep. You seem a little worried these days, Noah. Is everything all right? Everything's fine! Something strange is happening. She was sure of it. No, stop! No, stop! No, stop!
We need a better plan.
You can't stay in my room all day. Someone will find you. Maybe you can stay outside for a little while. Shh, it's okay, Max. I have to hide you. Quiet now, we're sneaking out.
Whoa there, Noah. Where are you off to?
Nowhere, Dad. Just looking outside.
All right, just checking. Don't go too far. Hey, buddy. Where are you going?
Outside.
What's under your hoodie?
Everything's fine, Dad.
Noah, what's going on?
Nothing. It's just my hoodie.
Noah, is there a dog under your jacket?
Dad, look.
Where did you get that puppy?
Dad, I found him alone, cold and hungry. He was all by himself. Can we keep him?
Of course, Noah.
What's going on?
I knew it! I knew I heard a dog! Shh, keep it down!
Noah, you brought a puppy into the house without telling us?
I'm sorry.
Why? I'm sorry. I thought you would make me take him away. He was scared. I wanted to help him. Helping an animal is a very kind thing to do, but hiding things from us is not okay.
Noah, you could have asked us for help.
I know. I'm sorry.
It's okay, sweetie. We're always here.
He's so cute. Can we keep him? Can we keep him? Please? He's so cool.
First, we need to find out if he has an owner. Someone might be looking for him right now.
Max, I bet someone is missing you. Mom, Dad, we have to help find his family.
That's a wonderful idea, Noah.
We're with you, buddy. Brucky.